In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit YouTube transcripts in Microsoft Word line breaks. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to take a YouTube transcript and make it much easier to read and edit in Microsoft Word by fixing the line breaks. For this example, I'm using a browser extension that displays the YouTube transcript without timestamps. This makes the process easier because we can copy the transcript directly without having to remove the timestamps manually. Once the transcript is displayed, select the portion of the transcript you want to edit. You can click and drag from the beginning of the text, then continue scrolling down while keeping the text selected. If you're working with a long transcript, you can continue scrolling until you've selected the entire section you need. When you reach the bottom of the transcript, right-click on the selected text and choose Copy. Next, open Microsoft Word and create or open the document where you want to place the transcript. Right-click inside the document and paste the copied transcript. After pasting the text, you'll notice that the transcript may appear as one continuous block. The text is there, but it isn't arranged with convenient line breaks, which can make it more difficult to read and edit. Now we can use Microsoft Word's Replace feature to quickly clean up the formatting. Go to the Replace option in Microsoft Word. In the Find What field, enter the special symbol used for paragraph marks, followed by a lowercase p. In the Replace With field, enter just one space. Once both fields are filled in, click Replace All. Microsoft Word will process the transcript and make the replacements throughout the document. You'll see a message showing the number of replacements that were made. Click OK to continue. After that, close the Replace window and look at your transcript again. The text should now be arranged in a much easier format to work with. This method can save you a lot of time when you're editing a long YouTube transcript. Instead of manually adding or adjusting line breaks throughout the document, you can use Word's Replace feature to process the text much faster. It's also useful if you prefer reading a transcript instead of listening to the video, or if you need to edit the transcript before using it for another purpose. The method is simple, works well with long transcripts, and can make the editing process much more convenient when working in Microsoft Word. And that's how you can edit YouTube transcript line breaks in Microsoft Word. By using a transcript extension and Word's Replace feature, you can quickly organize the text and make it easier to read and edit. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.